Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, man. So today's video is going to be a real quick video. I'm just showing y'all pretty much the town car, some updated town car videos, some updated flybys, and some old flybys of a V6 Charger. It's pretty much it, man. It's a quick, simple video for y'all. Well, other than that, man, make sure you go like, share the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, man. Turn on all post notifications as well, man. Just build my profit amount.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm bad. When he dials my number, he says that he wonders why I don't and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss.